Hello and welcome to a University of Alberta Library tutorial. The goal of this tutorial is to show you how to use the CRSP or CRSP database to find historical stock prices. And this is what you see once you get to this database. The CRSP database contains the most comprehensive historical stock price dataset. CRSP provides month-end data back to 1925 for New York Stock Exchange companies and daily data starting in 1962 for New York Stock Exchange and Amex companies, and 1972 for NASDAQ companies. To begin searching for historical stock prices, go to latest edition in the menu on the left and click on 2020 CRSP US stock. We need to specify the company by entering the ticker. In this example, we'll look up data for Disney. So since we don't know the ticker, we'll just click on search CRSP, type in Disney, and click on locate. And from here, we can see that the ticker is DIS, so we'll just copy that, close the window, and paste it into the search box. Next, scroll down to step 2, time series. And this is where we're going to specify variables for retrieval. For our example, we'll select price or bid-ask average, click here, and also returns, click there. Now we're going to scroll down all the way to step 3, where we're going to specify the time frame. So you can input a start and end date for your time series, or you can leave this blank, and then you'll receive all the data dating back all the way to the date the company started trading, which is what we'll do. In step 4, specify the output details and submit a query. Select the output format as comma-separated values and hit submit query. We'll click on download and save, and you'll see that an Excel spreadsheet will download. Open it, and here are your results. Just expand the first column to see all the dates, and you can view all the data now.